This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
Welcome to the peaceful mountain temple, where Master Toshi and his student Haru discover the profound beauty of living simply. Join us on a journey of wisdom and tranquility as they learn to appreciate the true treasures of life. Once upon a time, in a peaceful mountain temple, lived an old Zen monk named Master Toshi. This temple, surrounded by cherry blossoms and a gentle stream, was a place of calm and learning. Among the students was a young boy named Haru, who was eager to learn about Zen. One morning, as the sun was rising, Haru came to Master Toshi with a curious look. "Master," he asked, "why do we live so simply? Why don't we have more things, like the people in the village?" Master Toshi smiled and invited Haru to walk with him. They went to a nearby stream, where the water was clear and pure. The old monk picked up two stones and gave one to Haru. "Drop your stone into the water," he said. Haru did as he was told, and the stone sank to the bottom with a soft splash. "Now watch," said Master Toshi. Slowly, the stone settled and the water stayed clear, not affected by the stone. "Do you see, Haru?" Master Toshi asked. "Our needs are like this water, clear and simple. When we live simply, we are not troubled by too many desires, just like the water stays clear, even with the stone." Haru nodded, thinking hard. Master Toshi then said, "Look at the village below. Their lives are full of distractions and wants. Like this." He picked up a handful of pebbles and threw them into the stream. The water became cloudy, disturbed by the many stones. "Living simply helps us see the beauty in everyday life," Master Toshi explained. "We find joy in the sound of the stream, the sight of the blossoms, and the warmth of the sun. These small moments are the real treasures of life." As they walked back to the temple, Haru noticed the bright colors of the flowers, the soft rustling of leaves, and the cheerful chirping of birds. Each step felt lighter, and every breath deeper. From that day on, Haru embraced the simple Zen life. He understood that true happiness didn't come from having lots of things, but from appreciating the beauty of the present moment. And so, Master Toshi and his young student lived in harmony with the world around them, finding peace and joy in their simple, quiet life. End message for you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you enjoyed this story of simplicity and wisdom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content. Together, let's spread the message of peace and joy to all who seek it.